Within the past 45 minutes, the governor revealing new details about who will get the COVID-19 vaccine first and a timeline when the general public might get this vaccine. Let's get right to 13 Investigates reporter Joe Bartels live right now to break down the details for us. Joe.
Todd, Tricia, the governor says the state has identified about 173,000 Nevadans that are deemed at the high risk. Those include folks who work in healthcare, law enforcement, and those who are in nursing homes. The population will be broken down into a tiered system. That high risk group is called Tier 1. Tier 2 individuals, such as older adults and incarcerated individuals, would be next. The third tier is the general public and will likely not have access to the vaccine until the spring or maybe even the early summer. But it all depends on this very complex logistical distribution plan. Bottom line, the governor says the cavalry is coming. Meantime, we are in week 1 of the state's 3-week pause, which are those tighter restrictions that we've been seeing. So far, the governor says they are not working. Every measure of the virus is growing. Authorities calling it an out-of-control wildfire. Nevada hospitalizations connected to COVID-19 are at an all-time high. Test positivity rate also spiking. The governor says in the short term, things will likely get worse before the vaccine arrives.
There is no silver bullet to end this. If I could say, look, whatever it was, if you did this procedure, you handled this protocol, it would solve this for sure. That doesn't exist. It's the culmination, it's the summation of a lot of different things, small things that can make a difference. And the vaccine is the most optimistic, beneficial thing that's coming along.
The governor says that the numbers have not so far reflected any kind of Thanksgiving surge. That is, people that may have neglected or ignored their request to stay at home and those protocols, and leading to some kind of a wider spread of the COVID-19. He says that is something that authorities have not seen yet, but could be coming, and it's something they'll be watching very closely. Reporting live, Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.
Yeah, all of us, Joe, waiting for those numbers. All right, in the meantime, taking a look right now at the latest COVID-19 numbers in Nevada. And the Department of Health and Human Services is reporting 2,100 new cases. So that brings the total to nearly 157,000 cases. The death toll also growing today. Officials now reporting, unfortunately, 35 more people have lost their lives to this virus. And so far, more than 2,200 people have now died in Nevada.